Hello guys. Sorry, I'm just sick today. Hello guys, today I'll be showcasing some of my own badges that I got from a video today. So first thing, let me introduce you to Party Piggy. This is the idle animation. This is the walk animation. Crouch animation, stun animation, and finally, lastly thing is the kid jump scare animation. Kinda cool. Okay. Next one is Pickle. Pickle is my least favorite character. Just because the thing is, he doesn't. How is he even floating? He just like lays down as a pickle, and the stun is just nothing. Okay, this is the idle animation, and this is the walk animation, crouch animation, stun animation. And finally, jump scare.
I'm Pickle Rick!
Let me show that to you again.
I'm Pickle Rick!
Okay. No. Okay. Next one is Mr. Cartoon. I don't know. Well, we get the badge for getting RP coins. I don't know how much. And I got the Pickle Rick too for the coins badge. Okay. This is Mr. Cartoon. This is the idle animation. This is the walk animation. Crouch animation. Kinda disgusting. I was gonna talk to Mr. Guy, but I almost. You like look at the book. Okay. Stun animation. You're looking up on the ceiling. And next and lastly, jump scare animation. Okay. Now next is Linux. I don't know who's that guy. Linux, I think. So this is how it looks like a Roblox character guy, brown, and there's a disgusting head and eyes, no eyes. Okay. So this is the idle animation, move animation, walk, crouch animation, stun animation, and finally, lastly is jump scare animation. Next is Frozen Pony. Well, Pony is infected. Does he have... No. Okay. Okay, so his first thing is the idle animation. Second, walk animation. Just some steps. Crouch animation. Stun animation. And jump scare. Next, we have Skull Lady. Creepy, like so creepy. And also, she makes her hands like Brahma. Do you know Brahma? Brahma is a character from. Yes, this is Brahma. She's from the attic. She's that skeleton thing. Okay. Crouch. Wait, I forgot. Okay, idle and walk and crouch, stun and kill. That's the creepiest thing I ever heard. Where are we? Okay. Okay. Next we have Eric. The chicken. Okay. Okay, so first is idle elimination, walk elimination, crouch elimination, stun elimination, jump double kill, got my boy Kelvin. Boing. That's horrible. Idle elimination, stun elimination, and jump scare. Kinda cool, but not. Okay, we got Roger, my boy Roger, or Roger, I don't know. Idle elimination, move and walk elimination, crouch elimination, and stun elimination, and jump scare. Okay, next is Traveler, the luckiest survivor on Earth. Well, he got infected by the staff of belief in the miserable ending. Attic. It has been like 7 days I've been recording and okay, so let's idle elimination. Stun elimination. Still moving the same. And jump scare. Next is Diala. I think that's her name. Idle. Stun. Kill. Next is my boy Velton Teddy. This is my boy Idol elimination. Crouch. And jump scare. Idol elimination, crouch, stun, jump scare. Wait, I just clicked. Okay. Next is my boy Gertie. Let's just hurry up this because he's so funny. I cannot laugh. Idle, move, crouch, stun, kill. Just like Piggy. Okay. Next is friend. Lita aka Lita Vascora, I think. Or I don't know. I think that's his nickname. Okay. So this is the idle, move, He walks so fast, goodness. Crouch. Stun. Just like kissing the floor. And looking creepy. And jump scare. Okay, next is Snow Piggy.
Blindingly white and so clean.
What the hell is that song?
Sparkling bright.
He's
like
floating.
a dream.
Okay. Idle, move,
Transform.
crouch, stun, kill. Okay.
Blindingly white and so clean.
Next is Shadow Monster. Bro, goodness, let me move. Idle, move, has no legs, and crouch, and stun, and sounds like the friend. Next is it's just my neighbor's voice. Next is Tayo. Okay, idle animation, walk, and the next is crouch, the stone, wibbly dance, and finally jump scare. It looks like Mr. Stitchy. Okay, next. What is his name? Oh, yes. Unknown Trader. Idle animation. Movement. Crouch. Stun. And kill. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And the sound that looks like object that you heard is my neighbors. They opened the door on accident. And inside me was God on something. Well, thank you guys for watching. But before I end the video, like and subscribe and turn on the notification button, or else I will kill you. Bye bye.